Hey folks, I'm HP's Dr. Pink and welcome to Oh Yeah, Funky Guitar. So, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to get informed when a new upload is here or a live stream takes place. So in the time of funky guitar, it's not from the 70s, but it's basically from the 70s, but we have also Daft Punk, a modern band who doing this funky guitar, and we want to learn this here, be really funky. That's this, oh yeah, really. Yeah, so this is going to learn here, and it's going to be cool, it's going to be funky, so make your wrist relax, because you need a really relaxed wrist. That's the main secret of everything. So first tip for you is to get a relaxed wrist. I mean, you could play with the pick, just like this. Use either a soft pick, or if you have a normal pick, a hard one, you'll be really relaxed in your. You go a little bit in this position, stay relaxed in your wrist, and stuff like that. I mean, for me, it's not really that. I would recommend do what I do, because this way you can really keep it going for 3, 4, 5 minutes and stay relaxed. Because if you play funky music, you have to stay relaxed in your wrist. Otherwise, you cannot go through this. So the trick is with your attacking hand, when you go down, you just basically do this, just shuffle your hand. When you go down, you go down with your nails, see, with all 4 fingers. When you come up, is with the nail of the thumb. So that's the main thing. Let's check it out from the close view. See, that's the movement. You go down like this, up a little bit like this. See, and really. And played in 16 notes. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And also make this movement down is like from flamenco guitar. 1, 2, 3, so 1, 2. I'm grabbing an E minor 7 chord, but it's not really important what you grab. Is the movement here is important. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 16 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Stay relaxed. And if you make the accent, you pull your fingers down. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Try to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. See how I go with the fingers down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, always make this whack. So let's try with the track. See, it has to be pretty fast, because funk music is relaxed, but the attacking is really fast. So that's basically the main thing you have to do. Of course, you don't play all the time. You play then as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the attack, you make this movement 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So. And then the next will be you just try to hit the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So let's try it. see why the relaxed wrist is so important. With the left hand you're not doing really much, but the magic happens here. So now we're going to try to play this figure here. We play what I did play at the beginning. So the first 4 6 are 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and then on the second figure we move up the chord E minor 7 here. You can make like this: bar in the 7th, middle in the 8th here, also ring in the 9th or without that one, and then you go and you keep the moving going on, but with the upstroke 1 2 3 4. See, that's what happened. Let's try it. It really, it's left hand is not so hard. And if you do that notes, keep the accent on the one with this whack. This way it really sounds groovy, especially when I use the wah-wah. So let's try with wah. Wait, the wah was a little bit funky in my way here, so I cannot really play it. So let's do the wah-wah. So, but today we don't do wah-wah so much because not all of you have a wah-wah. And you can highlight these dead notes with the, see, I have a delay on the quarter note of the music. This way I have more motion in the rhythm guitar. And if I do the whack on the first of the signal, I get this extra whack here with the dead. With the delay, gives this little trick. Let's try it again. It's really cool. We do a second figure, is basically the same thing. We move up here in the 12th fret, bar over the 12th and the 14th, and then we have a slide up from 11 to 12. And then on the first beat of the 3, we make the slide from 11 to. But even you make the slide, keep the motion going on, otherwise you drop out. And that's really funky when you do this slide. It's cool. It's what we want. Oh yeah, funk guitar. Yeah, really cool. Then comes a break and then the real rhythm starts, this one. This one is really cool. And works like this. You make an E minor 7 chord here in the 7th fret. And the trick is you play one note, then two dead notes. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2. Always one played, two dead notes, and this way the accent moves. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and on the one, on the count 4, it stops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So we have always first down, up, then down, and then upstroke again. Slow, it's easy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But fast? Well, maybe fast it's easier. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you see, when it's fast, you have no time for counting anymore. So keep it easy and then just stay relaxed in your wrist. Yeah, and what is also good, you play the 32 notes. I don't know how to explain that. It really just somehow comes out of the feeling. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And also, yeah, I forgot to say, with the pinky move from 10 to 9. So now you can move the whole thing together, and that's going to be cool. We open up with the first phrase, then comes a break, and then comes the second part, and then, oh yeah, funk guitar. One. Now comes the other thing. Now we add some wah-wah. Folks, as I said, the main trick of all this is the relaxed wrist of your picking hand. I really recommend do it the way I did, because I tried the other ways, and I mean you're probably a little bit more precise when you use your pick, but your way not so relaxed, and somehow with the finger picking you can play a little bit laid back. If you play too hard on the beat, like total precise, it sounds a little bit stressed. If you're a little bit behind the beat, a bit laid back, real relaxed, you know what I mean. Then you're the guy, the go-to guy for oh yeah, funk guitar. What more to say about this? I mean, there's more funky stuff to be learned, but these are like main figures which always work and they're cool. And the main thing is really that you have this taka 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 going on. Yeah, if you want to download the backing track and the tabs, they're available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Become a premium member, support this channel here with a premium membership, or buying a t-shirt, or buying my CDs. Also, book private lessons if you want to get more in detail, or feel you're not good enough to do this. Book a private lesson. I'm gonna help you out with this. I'm gonna be doing Skype lessons if you want, but also on-demand lessons. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Google, and follow me on Spotify. Yeah, me and drpink. We're getting more into funky music. And telling, oh yeah man, oh yeah, funk guitar.